What's up guys, and it's time to do unboxing of the Reno 3 Pro, which is recently released with some amazing features that we can't imagine in the mid-range smartphones. So this one is auroral blue color right now in my hands, which is 8GB variant with 256GB of storage. In Pakistan, the retail price of the Reno 3 Pro is 70,000. Before unboxing this device, I am gonna give a quick shout out to the Discount Mobile branch 2 for sending this smartphone. They deal with all kind of smartphone including accessories. So if you are living in Pakistan and you want to buy this smartphone or any other smartphone, you can definitely check them out. I will leave all the links for the Discount Mobile branch 2 in the description. So let's open the box and see what we have got inside the box. And on the top we have a silicone soft case and some paperwork which really nobody reads, and a SIM injector tool. Finally, here is a mid-range beast, the OPPO Reno 3 Pro. Here are some specs of the phone as you can see, but we will check into this later. Let's see what else we have got inside the box. So the Reno 3 Pro comes with a work 30-watt charger which we have never seen before from the OPPO, along with the Type-C cable and hands-free. Let's come to the phone. So this one is auroral blue color. As the OPPO have focused on the camera in this smartphone, so here we get 44 megapixel wide angle lens and 2 megapixel depth sensor, which will be used to blur the background in a selfie mode. On the back we have a quad camera setup. The main camera sensor is 64 megapixel wide angle lens, 13 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and 2 megapixel black and white mono lens. And if I talk about the design and the build, so the Reno 3 Pro comes with glass and plastic body, as the front is protected by Gorilla Glass 5 and the frame and the back are made of plastic. The overall design is so attractive because of the shine on the back with different colors. The phones feel very light and slim in hands. Let's talk about the display of this device. So the Reno 3 Pro comes with 6.4 inches display, which is Super AMOLED with 1080p by 2400 pixels and 405 ppi. The fingerprint sensor also given in the display, which is optical sensor, and the speed of this fingerprint is quite good. Let's talk about the internal specification and feature of the Reno 3 Pro. So the Reno 3 Pro comes with MediaTek Helio P65 chipset and 8GB of RAM with 256GB of storage, and the battery of the Reno 3 Pro is 4025 mAh, which is fine for this smartphone. And the OPPO is claiming that it will charge the phone from 0 to 50% in just 20 minutes. Now that's quite interesting about this device. In my opinion, the Reno 3 Pro will also be the best phone for gaming, but we will check it out in our next video. Also guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.